Hello, let me show you how I made these 3-ingredient pancakes. They are chewy and crispy. So I'm not going to waste your time. You'll need all-purpose flour, vanilla yogurt, and baking powder. Oil for shallow frying, or you can use water. In a large mixing bowl, pour in the flour and baking powder. Boom. Yogurt, then mix it together. If the dough is sticky, sprinkle in more flour and continue mixing until it can form a ball shape. Sprinkle flour onto a flat surface to get ready for kneading time. Bam! So from here, you're going to knead the dough 5 to 10 times. Now break the dough into 2 balls. We'll be making 2 pancakes with this recipe. Alright, now flatten your pancakes until it's about 1 to 2 centimeters in width. Again, if you have a rolling pin, like I said in my other videos, use that instead. Turn the burner up to medium-high heat. Get your oil ready. We're going to brush oil on both sides of the pancake. So once the pan is hot enough, put in your oiled side of the pancake. Put it in for about 2 to 3 minutes and then flip. Or once you can see that it's browned, flip. So as you can see, it doesn't look like your typical pancake, right? Do the same for the other pancake. Yes, it's done. Oh, crap. Phew, saved by the pan. So I'm trying a little piece first, just to make sure it tastes good. It's crispy and chewy, and you can smell the vanilla too. So now sprinkle on some sugar. Add in your cinnamon. Then add your margarine or butter. And finally, add in your maple syrup. Let's try this out. So, it's thicker than your average pancake, but it's crispy and chewy. Seriously guys, I would definitely recommend you give this recipe a try. It's easy to make and kind of tastes like elephant ears if you pan fry it with oil. Oh yeah, gotta get that extra sugar and syrup. Here, try it out. Oh, well, I guess we can't do that. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for similar content.